Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says, a rectangular prism has a length of 10 inches, a width of 5 inches, and a height of 2 inches. What is the volume of the prism? So we can draw a picture to help us visualize this problem. And if you ever have to draw a rectangular prism quickly, you could just start with a rectangle and then go to the center of that rectangle and draw another rectangle over it, and then just connect all the edges to form a rectangular prism. And then I can label that with a length of 10 and a width of 5 and a height of 2. The formula to find the volume of the rectangular prism is volume is equal to the length multiplied by the width multiplied by the height, since we want to find all of the space inside the rectangular prism. And so now I'm just going to substitute. Volume equals a length of 10 multiplied by a width of 5 times a height of 2. And so volume will equal 10 times 5 is 50. And 50 times 2, the volume of the rectangular prism, will be 100 cubic inches.